it's now time to take a closer look at the arms. I've already shown you how to drill this hole and this hole. I've added one more hole, which is for when we store the shave horse. That measures 5 inches down from this one here to here. So that's 5 inches or 125 millimeters. The next thing we've done is we've got the pole lathe and we've turned this on the pole lathe. Now this measures 1.5 inches and we put a flat edge across which measures about 1 inch across, and this is the same diameter, so it goes through the 29 millimeter hole. The measurement across here, the shave horse measures 7.5 inches wide. I've made this slightly wider. If you don't happen to have a lathe, what you could do is you can buy a handrail for banisters that is this shape, and you drill 2 holes and use some dowel, and that's a simple way of doing it. Then you've got to find yourself a piece of timber. So this piece of timber measures in length 20.5 inches or 52 centimeters. It's approximately 1.5 inches by 1 inch. So that is 40 mil, just over 25 mil. And that's going to be where the pedal for pushing on to clamp out your work. I find it easier to use a spacer that's being done the same size as the top here. So that's just over 7.5 inches. That can go at the bottom. We can then pop it in like so, push it together, and then we can screw the piece of wood on, the pedal on like so. And then all that's left to do is make some wooden pegs. So this is made out of oak. I've made a tapered square peg, and then we drill a hole in the head and then we tap them down. That's what holds it in position. The next thing we have to do is make a block. So this block measures 4 inches by 4 inches or 100 mil by 100 mil. And then we put a little spacer pad on it. So this measures about 95 mil, so it's just under the 4 inches. And that slides down the 2 sides, the rails of your shave horse, and that's the adjuster block, so you can adjust the height of the table on your shave horse. Your shave horse is now ready to use. The block will fit in like so, and then slides up and down to allow you to adjust the height of the bed. So we just clamp it in like so, push forward with the pedal, and then we can use the drill knife to shape our block like so. When we've finished, all we need to do is pop the block out, put it to one side, we take the pin out, then we lift this up like so, pop, take the pin through, and then we just fold the legs up and it's stored away ready for the next time. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you found it of interest. If you decide to make one for yourself, please let us know how you get on. Or if you want more information about what we do, our website address is explorethegreatoutdoors.co.uk. We run lots of green woodworking courses and would love to see you on one. Until the next time, happy green woodworking.